Hello my dear students, this is Reema. Today also we will be continuing with the chapter motion of class 9 science physics. In this video we will be doing the questions from the textbook, that is page number 103. Okay, and those who are watching my video without subscribing, please to subscribe to my videos, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you'll get notified of my future videos. Okay, so let's start with a little recap of what we have studied in the previous videos, that is about the acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity, right? That is what if we increase or if we decrease the velocity, that is called, with the time, it is called acceleration. Okay, the rate of change of velocity with time is the acceleration. So the formula is what? Acceleration is change in velocity, that is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. And what is the SI unit of acceleration? That is meter per second square. Okay, so what is it? Like if we increase the acceleration, that is what? If we increase the speed, if we increase the velocity, it is called what? The acceleration will be positive. Okay, and if we, for example, if we apply brakes and our velocity is decreasing, the acceleration will be negative. If we are increasing the velocity, it will be positive, acceleration will be positive. If we are decreasing the velocity, the acceleration will be negative. Okay, so our first question from 103 page number is, when will you say a body is in uniform acceleration and also non-uniform acceleration? What is uniform acceleration, right? A body is said to be in uniform acceleration when the velocity is increasing or decreasing at a uniform rate. That is, velocity will be increasing or decreasing equally at equal interval of time, right? Velocity will be increasing or decreasing in an equal amount in equal interval of time. That is uniform acceleration. So when a body is in non-uniform acceleration, so a body is said to be in non-uniform acceleration if the velocity will be increasing or decreasing at a non-uniform rate. That a velocity will be increasing or decreasing unequally in a certain interval of time. So that is non-uniform acceleration. So our next question is, a bus increases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. So what? The bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour. So it's decreasing, means what? The driver is applying brake, so it will be decreasing. So you have studied decreasing means what? Negative acceleration, right? So we'll write what is there in this numerical. What is given, we'll write first. The bus decreases its speed from 80 to 60. So first initial velocity is what? U is 80 km per hour, and V is what? Final velocity is 60 km per hour, and time given is 5 seconds. See, here it is in kilometer per hour, so, and this is in seconds. So we have to convert kilometer per hour to 60. There is a formula for converting kilometer per hour to meter per second. How we will do? We have to multiply by 5 by 18. So remember this. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind, that is for converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply kilometer per hour by 5 by 18. So here u is equal to 80 into 5 by 18 meter per second, and v is equal to 60 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So here u is what, 200 by 9, which is equal to 22.22 meter per second, and v is what, we multiplied 60, that is 60 into 5 by 18, and we got 150 by 9, which is 16.66 meter per second. So what is the formula for acceleration? Acceleration is v minus u by t, right? We have to find the acceleration, that is v minus u by t, which is equal to 22.22 minus 16.66 by how much? 5 seconds. So we'll do 22.22 minus 16.66. How much it will be? So it will be 5.56 by 5. So it is 1.112 meter per second square. Our SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So here acceleration is equal to 1.112 meter per second square, right? Our next question is, a train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration. Here also we have to find the acceleration. So for what is the formula? A is equal to v minus u by t. So we need v, we need u, and we need t. A train starting from a railway station. So here it is given starting. So what it is? Our initial velocity will be 0. So initial velocity u is equal to 0. Okay, and then with a uniform acceleration, it is uniform acceleration and attains a speed 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. So we have our final velocity and time also given. Final velocity is what? 40 km per hour. We have to convert that into meter per second. So how will convert? Multiply by 5 by 18. 40 into 5 by 18. How much we'll get? We'll get, which is equal to 100 by 9 meter per second, right? And we have the time given is 10 minutes. 10 minutes is what? 10 into 60 seconds, that is 600 seconds. So what is acceleration? Is v minus u by t. Always write the formulas, okay? So v is what? V is 100 by 9 minus 0 by, what is that? 600. Okay, so it is 100 by 9 by 600. So it will become what? 100 by 9 into 600. So it will be 1 by 54 meter per second square. Okay, so we can write 0.018 meter per second square. So this is our answer.